Hello everybody, back again, and today I am going to show you a brand new 2022 Swift Escape. Come on, let's take a look. Straight off the bat, you'll see the lovely new graphics that they've went for this year. I think it is lovely, really sets the whole thing off. This one is a 640. Down the back you have your large garage here. In there you'll see your removable carpets. There's little USB ports down here. All sorts of little plugins, and of course you have a lovely light, so if you're in here at night time you have no problem if you need to see anything. But let's go hop inside. So this is the new inside of the cab. Here is your main living room, here is your cab. This one that we're filming, it's an automatic, but we do have a manual option. You have your lovely 9-inch multimedia system where your whole dash setup is. That's your 9-speed gearbox for this vehicle, and across you have your multi-functioning steering wheel as well. Of course you do have additional USB ports down here, your 12 volt, your aircon, all the good things. Now of course this living area does make up a bed. Your table can fold out, and there's something very special about this 2022. This is actually an electric table, and it goes down electrically from this control button just here. And then for making up the bed, it's dead handy. You just fold that over, flip your pillows round, and you're ready to go. So your living area is your first and second berth, and then straight above me is your third and fourth, your second double bed pretty much. And it's an electric one as well, and it just comes down as though. I am loving the whole new look of Swift. It's just so nice, the real finish, so rich. And of course you can bring that down as far as you prefer. You can bring it the whole way down if you want. You do have your little ladder there to get on, that just latches on here, and then for security purposes, whenever it's up, you just have a locking mechanism here. For whenever you're traveling. But lovely, real smooth. So then moving down into your kitchen setup, you do have your full Dometic fridge just here, and it's one of the new ones, so you can open it on either side of the door. Large sink, your 3 gas hob and electric hot plate just here, and your combined oven and grill just below. Up above you do have your fitted Dometic microwave, and then nice storage just in either side there. You then also have additional storage just under here. So for your cutlery, crockery, and then this is actually a rear bathroom motorhome. So in here, you're gonna spot the camera woman, but this is your lovely bathroom. So in your bathroom, I mentioned when we were outside, you can actually access the outside area. So you can access your garage from the back of the bathroom just down below there. And then of course you do have tons of space in this bathroom. Look at that. So much room for all your clothes, anything you want at all, just straight in there. And it's finished with a lovely mirror as well. This is a separate shower bathroom, so always good to have. And then again, more storage around here as well. Really well finished. These new Swifts have been really well finished. So there is a 2022 Swift Escape in their new finish, their new inside and outside, and I'm for it. I love it. I love the pillows. I love everything about it. Even stuff I didn't show you. There's USB points here, and an umbrella holder on the door. They have just really, really met the bar on this one. And if there's anything else you'd like me to show you, like for example one of the beds made up down here, let me know. I've no problem showing you. And if there's any other vehicles you'd like to see, please let me know. You can contact me directly through my email, marketing@thompsonleisure.com. You can call me on 028 926 93999, or if you drop a comment under our YouTube video or Facebook channels, I'll pick all of them up, and I'll see you in the next video.